Hi everyone, this is Anthony. Welcome back, and a big thanks goes to all my followers and subscribers. Well, this is an update from Anthem of the Seas. After sailing from Gibraltar, take a look at the sail away of Gibraltar. But during the day, Anthem took some crew members from Pulmantha Sovereign and also Jewel of the Seas. So now we have more Indian crew members to be repatriated to India. Enjoy the sail away from Gibraltar. We had nice weather in the Mediterranean Sea. After a few days, we entered the Ionian Sea. Here we met some merchant navy ships. There was little traffic around. Hi, we are now in Piraeus, Athens, Greece. We have stopped here for provision and for bunkering. We will be heading in 2 days' time towards Suez Canal and then head on towards India. We are halfway mark to our epic journey. We are almost there. Well, India is ahead 2.5 hours. So that means we are getting closer and closer. I like to thank Royal Caribbean once again for this massive operation. Till date, Royal Caribbean have repatriated around 14,300 crew members towards their home. And we will be home too. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the new updates. And I sign out with a beautiful song from my album Tunsai. It's a family song. God bless you all.
Koshin bolla, natok lagla. Goya votu Toyar zala Isto vegitebu Ashon rao